Hi guys, this is Alan. Today I'm going to show you how to embroider directly on a finished garment. Before we start stitching, we need to prepare some necessary materials. They are Allen wrench, marked pen, tape measure, hand reel, embroidery frame, and also the stabilizer. If you are ready, let's get started. Once you are ready, start by installing the garment onto the machine. To find the embroidering spot, lay the garment flat. First, measure down from the collar. Then, measure in from the right side. Make a mark where those two measurements meet. This reference point will help you position the design accurately. Next, select your embroidering hoop and stabilizer. Choose a hoop that's a bit larger than your design. This gives you more room to work. Because we are using thin t-shirt fabric, I will apply 2 layers of tearaway stabilizer. Loosen the hoop screw and separate the pieces. Position the inner hoop inside the shirt directly over your marked spot, keeping the screw accessible and the stabilizer. Then secure with the outer hoop. Launch to the right for attaching to the machine. Gently smooth the fabric flat without shifting the mark. Then tighten the screw. Now let's attach the hoop arms. Make sure they are facing the right way. For 100 mm by 100 mm hoop, you will use the 4th and 5th holes on the attachment plate. Loosen the screw with the 3 mm Allen wrench. Then align the handrail with the hole position. Install and fix it. Repeat the same on the other side. Now attach the hoop to the arms. Line up the notch on the hoop with the matching side of the arm. Then gently push it in until it clicks into the place. Also, check that the fabric is smoothly tucked around the bobbin area. This helps prevent snags or skipped stitches later. Next, insert the USB drive to import the embroidering pattern. Tap the pattern menu, then select USB pattern. Please note that the machine only supports DST and DSP file formats, and the USB drive must be under 64 GB. The machine can store up to 500 designs or 40 million stitches. Once you have confirmed the USB drive and the pattern, select the design you want to embroider and tap Save to import it. Once your design is selected, go to the Config menu to assign thread colors. Match the colors to your design file. The right side shows the 15 needle colors available, and the left column is where you set the color sequence. For this design, you only need 2 colors. Tap the first slot and assign it to the needle 5, the light red. Then set the second slot to needle 7, the dark red. When you are done, save the settings. After setting the colors, select the hoop that matches the one you are using. When you tap the hoop, a pop-out will appear to confirm whether the cap driver has been removed. Since the cap driver has already been removed, simply tap Confirm to continue. After selecting the hoop, go to the embroidering screen. First, tap needles and switch to needle 15. This aligns the needle with the design's starting point. Next, use the direction keys to move the design to the center point you marked on the garment. Then, tap Trace Way to confirm the embroidering position. The machine will trace the outline of the design, allowing to check the approximate stitching area before embroidering starts. After confirming the embroidering position, do a final check before starting. Make sure the thread stand is fully raised, the tension level is at 90 degrees, and the embroidery thread is threaded correctly. Also, check that the checking spring is wrapped halfway around. Finally, confirm that the thread tension has been properly adjusted. Once everything has been confirmed, tap Ready to enter the embroidery working state. From here, the machine will take over and begin stitching your design. A great embroidery comes down to a good attention and a smart design and careful handling. We will walk you through from each steps in the following videos. If you want to learn more and level up your skills, be sure to follow us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.